Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix MacBook automatically lowering down volume. So for this guys, first method, restart the MacBook. Click on this Apple icon and select the restart. After this, you can try. And the second method, check the all connections, accessories like cables and devices. The third method, check the keyboard damages. And the fourth method, change the MacBook balance speaker settings. So for this guys, open your MacBook settings, click on Apple icon and select the system settings. Now here, go to sound option, select the sound. In the output and input, select the output option. And finally you will see here balance option, change the setting and try. And the last final method, update your Mac OS. So for this guys, go to your system settings and go to general option. And now open the software updates and check here guys, update. If update is available, you update your Mac and after you can try. So hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe.